What's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. Currently on my way right now to go check up on the Mazda, get a little progress update from the doctor. But first, I'm gonna get this oil pan because we gotta drain the oil, and I'm going blank right now. We gotta drain the oil in the car because we gotta put fresh oil in there. He's gonna reseal the oil pan because we have a leak. There's oil that we don't know where it's coming from, so we're gonna reseal some things. But yeah, talk to you guys when I get this oil pan situated. Yeah, I'm out. Ah, there you are. Oh, there's nothing in here. Look how good this thing's looking today. It's childish. But yeah, guys, like I said, mission of the day is to get the trans back in and get the clutch installed in the car and get the fresh oil in and start the braking period. So we'll see how far we get. Anyways, I'm on my way back to the garage, so I'll catch y'all when I get there. I'm out. And we're here.
Where?
How's she coming? How fucked is she?
You know, whenever you walk into a store that you really don't know what you're gonna expect to get out of it.
Yeah.
Well, at this store, they should like have a commercial of those like fix a repair leak.
Yeah.
And like at Home Depot version, you know, like the it's like a little black little spray can that says like if you want to repair, you just slap it on and it'll stop a leak.
Yeah.
Well, you need like a whole fucking case load of a truck just to fucking fill all this oil.
Yeah, an issue we've been having. We've had a major leak for a long time. Oh boy, it's sealing her up once again. Looking all nice and clean there, buddy.
About to put a remain seal on.
Key crank or whatever, or it's OEM.
Huh?
Key crank or OEM? All stock.
All stock.
My nigga.
Stock block. Send it to the moon. Stars all tight. This is the old rear main seal, okay? Toast it. We got some boys on it. Boy has a new one put in. Yeah.
You count on my money.
Huh? Don't you see we handling grown folks' business? Damn. No, shut the hell up.
Ooh. Ryan was dope.
I thought I just come out. Oh, dude.
Yeah, hurry up, dude. We're trying to see the clutch going. Come on.
There ain't no fucking dirty ass rag.
This bust down Tatiana right here.
On stands all the fucking time.
Hey, just take his rims off. Test fit him.
I'm about to blow out one of his injectors. Shit.
Just take him out for me real quick. He came off. He came off.
Oh yeah. I'm about to get the whip back running.
Gotta go get some batteries for old boy, but we're gonna go on a little joyride. The homies Evo and the other homie Subi back there. Are you gonna get in the front or the back?
Front. Hey, fucking E85 went up right here, bro.
Because they be knowing. Mazda's blacking on that shit, for real.
He's a map. He's on the base map right now.
Oh yeah, on the base map? The Super don't want the smoke. Is that a tome that? Is that a tome?
Told him about leaving his car run for a little bit, no?
I mean, he
Hey,
wasn't
relax.
smashing it. Should I leave my shit or should I just
You got a turbo timer or what?
You already have it about a
wish.
minute. You cool.
Scared of it.
Hell yeah.
We want the 6. We want the Mazda Speed 6 to smoke.
Shit, I'm trying to get fucking in the gaps.
I see some purple in there, G. X clutch. Put it on finally.
For free too, Christmas gift.
Your Santa?
Ho 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 ho.
At this point, torque all 20 bolts up to 13 pounds.
13? Alright, cool. The little one would do it, Brian. If I stop the little one, that means it's past 13.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Oh my god, y'all hear this? You want to torque it to specs, we're gonna go to 13 foot-pounds of torque. You got that, sus.
Yeah, 3 bumps.
Alright,
If he has it,
so
bro,
now that
that's
the
clutch.
clutch looks like it appears to be in,
I dropped 2 more lemons, bro.
Hey, you ever charge this shit?
he's just torquing them down to
No.
spec, and then we're gonna throw his trans on, and I think that's the next plan of attack here. My boy, oh damn! I mean, I want to or what?
It's gonna run you like $5,
Always charging.
so. He said, oh, he's charging.
Always charged. I'm locked in. Ain't no switching up. Say hi to the people. What's up, crack? Man? All right, let's check the doctor's work. He wants me to double check over here. What? Check that thing out. Chiny.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home, went to pick him up. Nigga killed my mans, I'm riding with a picture up. Shoot back to the crib, went to pick the switches up. Stolen track hard, got it tinted up. Caught him outside, now he in a blunt. Ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Nigga, ain't no falling off, I done put 2 million up. Catch his ass at the light, like Tupac and hit him up. Ain't no life after death, nigga, you ain't big enough. Know them youngins mean business when they in that rental truck. They gon' spin till they dizzy or the police pick them up. I been staying out the way, I been focused on this pay. Killers coming out retirement, the dead nigga play. Hit your mans with a package.
Well, how's she looking? Where we at on time? Pretty on fucking track. The good news is, the motherfucking trans is in. And how we gotta find the right bolts to go right in there. But yeah, we made some progress. The trans is in, the clutch is in. Tighten up all the loose
Marcus
ends.
was struggling.
Oh, this one was a fight.
My boy was pissed. He was throwing stuff out boat.
Uh-huh. I had to charge his ass, huh? For real. Man was pissed. Very nice, very nice, very nice. But anyways, that is gonna conclude episode/vlog of the Mazda build. Clocking the hell out. Look at this boy, he's still charging. Lives off of coffee. And Pacifico. Pacifico tonight. Anyways, thanks for watching. Tune into the next video. I'm out.
Fuck your life! Bing bang!
Night I made that shit. I'm with that bitch. Right now I hit that bitch. Old friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool of the day. Check the rear before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with